This is Farhat and I'm a web developer. So Hina is scrolling into your website. I found few mistakes. So if I not share with you, and then you will missing a lot of appointments. So let me share with you what kind of mistake you are making, and then what is the reason you are not getting too much leads and appointment. So at the beginning, as you can see, your navigation, this is really not good, and you must need to have a beautiful and clear navigation so that your visitors and your patient can understand what kind of information they're trying to looking. So we will set up at the beginning your navigation. So I already built a beautiful website. So whenever you will reply the Gmail or set an appointment, then I will show you everything. And then if you like, you will keep our website design. If you not like, then we will something find out something else. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And your homepage design, now as you can see, this is so much big and this is not clear, and your appointment, and this is layout, and most importantly your layout is really bad. And then I will make a beautiful and professional website. If you like, then you will work with us, and then if you no, don't like us, then you will skip us. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, now as you can see, this pretty much it. And if you are do not improve you this kind of mistake, I think you're confused. There is a one what can the dental, this kind of thing is a confusing what kind of thing you're trying to do on that. So yeah, we will also solve that. And also I did check before responsive design, this really not good, and we will also solve that, because as you know that most of the visitors coming from the mobile phone, if they are not enough design responsive, then you will miss this kind of appointment. So I will do everything so that you can get a lot of appointment, and eventually you will be able to increase your revenue from this website. That's pretty much it. So if you think about it, any chance we can help you, just reply the Gmail, and after the down the Gmail, we will set a appointment link. If you click the link, and then that will redirect our appointment setter. And then if you set a time, and then according to your best and good time, we will meeting with you, and then we will share you everything step by step how we can do for you, what we can do for your business. Yeah, that's pretty much it.